I'm Robert, and you are watching Backyard Bodyworks. Hi guys, today is Thursday, May the 16th. I've taken a couple of days off to get some stuff done around the house, as well as take care of some family errands, with parents and whatnot. But we are finally ready, it looks like, to weld up. Shocker. So what we're going to do is I've got the spot welds posted here. I still need to put the spot welds in here and I've got the spot welds in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start welding up from back to front, and as I get to the front, I think I'm going to take these out so that I can get to the spot welds up in here. I haven't quite figured it out yet as to how I'm going to do that, or if I'm going to do that at all. But we're going to see how we're going to start on that side. I'm going to see how it goes, and then I'm going to come over here to this side. So, thanks for stopping by the shop. Thanks for all your support, and the day is here. We're going to weld the bonnet up. Yay! So, stick close. Buddy. So that's going to close it out for today. We have gotten both fenders welded on. To tomorrow we're going to put the rest of the front pieces in, or what we might do is we'll clean up the spot welds, and then we'll start welding in other pieces. And then we just might be done. Now, I'm not going to say it. We'll be done welding when we're done welding. But looks good. I'm very happy with it so far. What's going to be the telltale sign is when I go to start putting other pieces in, if everything goes together nicely or not so nicely. So that's what we're going to do tomorrow. So thanks for stopping by. If you guys come back tomorrow, same bat time, same bat channel, we will get all this stuff done. And hopefully we'll get it all done this weekend before I have to go back to work on Monday. So here's hoping. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, today is Friday. Welcome back to the shop. We are getting ready to work on the bonnet to finish welding in some of the front pieces, and then we will call it a day on that probably, and then we will start working on the fender wells and getting them ready to install. So thanks for coming by and following us up on the second day of this project. Well, more than just the second day, it's more like the 32nd day or the 62nd day if you go back and look at videos. Anywho, we're going to try and get all that stuff done before I have to quit for the day, because my wife is having her students over for the end of school year bonfire. And thanks so much for sharing your day with me and coming by and checking up on us and see how we're doing. Continue to follow along. That's all the time we have for today. I did get it all cleaned up. I know what you're saying. Robert, you using body filler? Yes. I'm using it along the lip here because that's going to be seen, and I want those spot welds to look as good. Now, of course, it looks terrible now, but it's going to look much better once I sand it down and make it nice and smooth and put some primer on it. So that being said, I'm going to call this part of the project done today, and we will continue tomorrow, Saturday. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. Hello, my beloved GT6 cult followers. It is I, your priest for the mechanic. Today, this is Saturday, we are going to clean up this edge here and this edge here, as well as get rid of all this stuff where the filler was laid in there, and just smooth this out just a little bit so it's not so nasty looking. So thanks for stopping by. We appreciate you coming to share this with us. Follow along and watch how we make a silk purse out of a sow's ear. quick coat of primer, sanding, some primer, and that looks pretty good. I'm okay with that. That will be hidden. The wheel wells will take care of that. So the underside, you know, looks pretty good. Let's put some sanding to it. I think, you know, this welder, of course, this is the side over here that's really bad, so I had a lot of welding to do on it. But I'm okay with that. It looks really nice. There's still some issues in some places, but for crying out loud, you guys have been following. You guys that have been following from the beginning, you know what this bonnet was like, and the trials and tribulations that I've had to go through to get it to where we are today. Personally, I think it looks good. Now, there's other people out there who'll be like, that looks like crap. Go home. What are you doing? You shouldn't have tools. You should be playing with crayons. Well, probably true. Because I guarantee you, I can draw with crayons a lot better than some people can work with metal. Anywho, I didn't use a lot of filler in there to even it out. You know, I didn't sculpt the fenders out of filler. It was just, you know, light skimming just to kind of fill in any pinholes and smooth out any weld spots to make it look, you know, to give it a decent look. I'm happy with that, and I'm going to move on now to the balancer, the headlight bezels, and the front strengthener support piece, and we're going to get those fitted and get those welded. Maybe we'll do it today. I'm hoping today, but we'll at least get them fitted today, and then maybe welded. Who knows? So follow along. Class, I have gotten everything screwed in, and I like where it is as far as, you know, how it fits together. I put my headlight pieces in, and the seams look okay here, and the seams look okay here. We're even here, we're even here, we're even here, and we're even here. So, I think I'm ready. So, we're going to go ahead and start welding. Shocker! The next piece of the puzzle should be the wheel wells and then the bonnet supports. I don't know if we're going to get the wheel wells in this weekend. I'm not going to say we are. But I know that we're going to get this, because I'm going to go ahead and start that right now. And then I think we'll be done with this particular video, and we'll start another video for the wheel wells. To me, that's because there's a lot of other things that need to be done before the wheel wells go in, and that's going to be all part of that process. So let's go ahead and get to welding, and we will call it a day after that. Going to conclude this week's video. Thanks so much for stopping by the shop and spending your time with me. Stay tuned for our next series where we're going to start putting the wheel wells together and getting them in the bonnet and getting the bonnet supports hooked in and getting all that squared away. Thanks for watching. If you like these videos, please give us a thumbs up. Help us out there. If you want to follow this project or any of the other projects that we're doing, please subscribe. And if you want to get alerted to when we're uploading a video on this project or any of the other projects we're doing, ring the notification bell, and that will alert you every time that we upload a video. Man, I tell you what, it's a long time coming. We finally got started welding on the bonnet, and everything seems to line up pretty good. So, yay! I'm going to take a day off, and we'll pick this back up on Monday. Y'all have a great weekend, and keep the shiny side up. Bye.